a little bit of breeze coming here. August 22nd, Monday, August 22nd, 2022. I gotta do a little shout out to the tech support at iPage. I have a website for my business, StitchShifterDesignsInc.com, all one word. And I've had it for a few years. I haven't done a whole lot on there, haven't updated a lot of stuff, and so I've kind of, not been doing much. Well, I got a notice the other day in my email that my site was up, or my site was down, but it was back up, Jetpack support. I use WordPress, and so I got a warning. It said, I clicked on my site, I couldn't get it. It said, critical warning, your error. You can't get, I couldn't log in. I was having all sorts of trouble with the WordPress login. Said they didn't know who I was. So I was in a bit of a panic. I couldn't get this thing figured out, couldn't get it fixed. And so I had to go through all my notes and stuff and call up iPage, which is my server. I think I had another one, Bluehost or something like that before, and they were horrible. And I fired them and got, there's a new comb right there. I got a new, ow, I stepped on something there, ow. Oh, I hope that wasn't a wasp or something that bit me. But anyways, yeah, so I couldn't log in. It was telling me they didn't have my email. I wasn't sure what was going on, why I couldn't log in. So I got on the phone, I couldn't get on the phone to call iPage. I had to go on the chat and got somebody right away and told them, well, I can't. Oh, and I couldn't log into my iPage either. I was having all sorts of trouble. So got on there. They asked me, what's my domain name? I gave that to them. They asked me my critical, or my question, whatever it was, and I gave them the answer, and they said, okay. So they verified my security verification. And within like 10 minutes, I told them what was going on. They located the things. I said, oh yeah, we see it here. I can fix that for you. It took about 2 or 3 minutes. They came back, said, everything's fixed. And then I said, well, I can't log into my iPage account either. Something's not right there. So they told me go back and clear my cookies, which I couldn't remember how to do that. It's up in the right hand, click down more options and go into your Chrome and delete cache or whatever. So I did that, and then that cut off my chat. So I had to go back and get into another chat, and same thing, got somebody right away, very helpful, got in and fixed the other issues on my other account, my other website, and then updated something and put my privacy thing on there and updated my payment method and all that. Well, my payment method was already updated. I just got a new card. But I cannot stress the importance of having a reliable server for your website and a tech support for that server that is willing and able and fast to help you. I couldn't get them on the phone, but it was so fast in chat. I just told them, typed out the problem in a few simple words, and within 3 minutes that was fixed, the other thing was fixed, and then I was logged into iPage and everything was just fine. Got a couple new combs here coming up. So yeah, if you've got a website and you're having trouble with anything, or you want to get a website, I would suggest you go to iPage. Wow, I got a big bump in the ground right there. What is that? It can't be. That can't be a comb coming up 5 feet from that one. But yeah, if you've got a website or you're not happy with your server for your website, I highly recommend iPage. Go there, get an account, put in your information and call them or get on chat. They'll help you with anything you want to do. WordPress is pretty easy to use once you learn some of the basics. You just have to upload your media that you want to put in there. Of course, that's a whole world in and of itself, creating images and pictures and all that stuff. But yeah, it took me about a year to build my website. So when it crashed, I was kind of upset. And I was like, oh my God, I hope this thing didn't get wiped out. And that, you know, I can get in there and, you know, recover my data, my pictures, my, you know, years worth of work. And I've had that website on there for 5 years now, since 2017. So it's kind of valuable to your business. If you lose your website, you can, if you have a website for your business, you can just imagine waking up one day looking and it says critical error and you can't sign in and it looks like your website's gone. So, but yeah, it was all fixed today in a few minutes. I did lose a little bit of sleep. I was thinking about it last night. I was like, oh my God, what have I got to do tomorrow? I got to sign in. I got to figure this out. No, you just got to go to your server, iPage. They'll have everything going in a few minutes. So, yup, iPage, go for it.